Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is my second video today and I'm showing you very gorgeous Gadwal sarees. These are all pure silk handloom Gadwals. Excellent quality weaving and the beauty of Pratha sarees lies mainly in the selection of sarees. I take a lot of effort in selecting the sarees, keeping in mind the quality of weaving, the uniqueness of combinations, intricacy of border designs. So I hope you appreciate the effort that goes behind my selection process. So yes, this is the first one. I think this is the first time I've got this combination in Gadwal. I don't think we had this before. This is a lovely mustard yellow with orange border. Usually we have yellow with red, yellow with pink, yellow with purple, but this is mustard yellow with orange. A very beautiful combination. Okay, this is the saree and this is the beautiful pallu. So all these sarees are handloom pure silk gadwals. They have Kadial borders, temple design. So they are very festive. You can wear them in any wedding kind of festive occasions and they look gorgeous. So yes, this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next is again a very unique combination. Once again, just look at this. Now this color is a dupcha. I'm just going to come close and show you the dupcha of it. It has it's basically a nice mint green kind of a color, but it has a beautiful golden reflect. Okay, a very stunning. So reflect this to hai na, a very stunning color, and it has this beautiful bottle green border. Just look at the saree, and the temple design comes with cross shading of that light green and this bottle green. So it is like a brownish goldenish color at the temple design, and even the border is slight dupcha. So it's an excellent combination. This is the saree. This is the grand pallu. Just look at this. Very beautiful. Okay, I'll just come close to show you all both the borders nicely. This is how the borders will look. I know this saree is not going to last long. I know it's a brilliant combination and excellent quality weaving. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price range of today's sarees, the sarees in this video is 18,000 to 20,000. That's the price range. Now this again, proper bright fuchsia pink. Now just look at this pink. It's a very striking neon pink. It's not peach. It's not at all peach. It's a proper bright pink. A stunning color. And it has this sea green border. A brilliant combination. This is the saree. Just look at the pallu design as well. I hope you all get the same feeling as me when I'm showing these sarees today, that for every saree you will feel, oh, we hadn't seen this combination earlier. Oh, this is a new combination. Oh, this is something new. So I hope you all get that feel, because I'm trying to actually, get newer and newer combinations in stock. So yes, this is the saree and this is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a brilliant shade of purple. Now just look at this. Ha, purple yeto hai barabar? Bluish distoy. Okay. So it's a proper purple color. It's not bangani. It's a proper purple color, and it has golden and silver butta. I'll just show you. It has two sizes of butta. Okay, it's looking a little different in the video, but we will send you photos of this saree. So if you like this particular saree, please let me know. It has a nice light sea green kind of a color at its border. Again, the border also has golden and silver zari. I hope you all can see it. I'll just come a little closer. Okay, and this is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a light grey, a pastel grey with a yellowish orange border. Now again, this is very different. Just look at this weave. Remember, for handloom weaves, you will get these kind of irregularities, some threads here and there, from some knots, but these are not defects, these are just, these irregularities prove that these are handloom sarees. Okay, so don't worry, they're not at all defects. Now this is again a pastel green, a pastel gray, a very light gray with golden zari butta and orangish yellow colored border and pallu, mango yellow kind of a color. So this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is one of my favorites. This combination is one of my favorites. Okay, a proper deep emerald green color. It's a light one, beautiful emerald green color with a nice rani pink border. A very traditional weddingy kind of a combination. Beautiful. It looks beautiful in the day. It looks beautiful at night as well. But it's a very nice day combination. This is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. I'm just going to take a minute and show you the border. The border design is different. It has this beautiful paisley towards the end. A very beautiful border design. This is the saree. Let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one, and again a beautiful saree. Now this is yellowish off-white color. It has a nice yellow tinge. Okay, it's a slight dubchao, a proper off-white with yellow tinge, pearl white with yellow tinge. It has golden as well as silver butta. I'm just going to come and show you both the butta, golden as well as silver butta, and this is the stunning border. Border has golden silver zari. Okay, just look at this, what a combination, right? Such a royal looking saree. And this is the grand pallu. Yeah, if you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So this was our last saree. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's absolutely new fresh set of Gadwals, and I'm very excited about this collection. I hope you all enjoyed it too. Stay tuned, keep watching, send us your message or inquiry on WhatsApp and we'll be happy to serve you. Thank you.